Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Mosier. So I was looking through the Atwater Facebook page and I saw that some of you guys were really enjoying playing the game Toothy with Mrs. Arnold. Mrs. Arnold actually has that game with a lot of different subject areas and she gave me her math ones. So I thought I could jump on here real quick and play a quick game of Toothy with you guys. The game is played exactly the same way. Go ahead and take your time. Go ahead and draw a great big smiling person. I chose to draw a girl. If you're playing this as a little boy, you can draw him with a little baseball cap on if you want to. So go ahead and pause the video, find a piece of paper or something like that, and draw yourself a person with a great big smile. And remember, no teeth. All right, if you restarted the video, that means you've got your Toothy board and you are ready to play. So I'm going to make that, actually, you know what, it's probably a little hard. I'll just put it back here. Okay, so for my Toothy game today, we are going to be working with our base 10 blocks. Those are what we've used in a lot of our classrooms to count how many days we've been in school. So one individual piece counts as a 1. A rod counts as 10. So let's look at our first one. We're going to do this one just as an example. So in this card, I see one group of 10. And then I see 3 individuals. So if I were playing this game, I would ask you, how many counters or how many cubes do you see? Now, you might have to go like this and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and that's okay. But what I would like to challenge you to do today during our game is to recognize that this one rod is 10 and count on from that number. So if I showed you this card, I would like to hear you say 10 and then count on 11, 12, 13. So let's take a look at the back and see if we were correct. 13, that's one group of 10 and 3 ones. So if you knew this card had 13 on it, you would take your marker, your pencil, and you're going to add a tooth to your Toothy boards. I'm going to put one right there in the front. Oh my goodness, does she look silly like that? Okay, let's try the next one. Are you ready? How many do you see? All right, did you say 7? If you did, you were correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe some of you guys recognized 6 and then counted one more to get to 7. If you got the answer 7, go ahead and add a tooth onto your person. If you didn't get that, it's okay. We will do another one. Oh, now my person kind of looks like a bunny, huh? All right, are you ready? How many? Okay, let's see. What would be the most efficient way I could count these? Starting with my group of 10. So here we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You got it. Our answer was 17. 17 is made up of one group of 10 and 7 ones, just like the number is written. One group of 10 and 7 ones. Now, I want you guys to take a look at this last one we did. Do you see anything similar? They both had 7 ones. You're absolutely correct. And I was able to recognize the pattern from this one. Do you see how those two patterns are the same? I saw the group of 6 and one more. So my brain was able to add that strategy to this card. I counted 10, and then I knew that this was 6 and one more. That's how my brain solved it. All right, let's do. I didn't add my tooth for that one. If you got the answer 17, go ahead and add yourself another tooth. Let's give her a bottom tooth this time. Well, now she looks really silly, doesn't she? All right, here you go. Next one. If you said the answer was 6, give yourself a pat on the back and add your tooth. Okay, next one. How many do you see? Good. I heard a lot of you say 11. 10, and one more is 11. Very nicely done. Add your tooth. Okay, here we go. How many do you see? All right, let's give it a count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you got the answer 9, you are correct. And make sure when we wrote that 9, we have it facing the right way, because if not, if we did it backwards, it would look like a P. We want to make sure that we wrote it like a 9. All right, if you got that one correct, let's add another tooth. Now, you can put your teeth wherever you want on your person. I'm putting mine on kind of in a pattern, but if you want to just put them on any old place and make them look really silly, that's fine too. Are you ready? How many? Oh, that was an easy one, wasn't it? How many? 1. Add your tooth. All right, tricky one. How many? All right, let's check it. Here we go. I see one group of 10. Now let's count on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how would that look if I was going to write it? I think it would look like one group of 10 and 8 ones. So let's take a look. One group of 10 and 8 ones. All right. If you got that one correct, add a tooth to your board. My teeth are going to get smaller and smaller as we go, it looks like. Here we go. Next one. How many do you see? Let's count them. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That looks like one group of 10 and 5 ones. If you said 15, give yourself another tooth. You guys are doing great. We're getting a nice big smile on our person now, aren't we? Okay, next one. How many do you see? All right, I want to hear you count them. Let's check it. 10. I like that you guys are getting that down. This is a group of 10, so I don't need to count them. 10. Count on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You got it. And that would look like one group of 10 and 6 ones. You got it right. Give yourself another tooth. I think I'm going to give you another bottom tooth. Now, I know when I saw kids in my class playing this game, they were drawing really silly teeth. They were drawing pointy teeth or they were drawing funny shaped teeth. So if you want to do that with your person, you go right ahead. Make your guy look as silly as you want. All right, here's our next one. How many do you see? All right, let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get it right? Okay, now I bet a lot of you guys recognized a pattern with this one. If you did, give yourself a kiss on the brain and tell the grown-up watching with you what the pattern was that you saw. I saw the pattern as 4 and 4, which is a doubles fact. You got it. Next one. How many do you see? Let's prove it. Here we go. 10, 11, 12. A 12 is written. One group of 10 and 2 ones. If you got that correct, give yourself a tooth. All right, here we go. How many? Did you say 3? I think I heard you. Good job. That was 3. Give yourself another tooth. Oh my goodness, I am going to run out of space. Ready? How many? 2. Absolutely. Add another tooth to your person. Here we go. This is the one I hope you get automatically. Get your brain ready. Did you say 10? Did you say it right away? That's amazing. That tells me you're using your subitizing strategy. You're able to recognize that is a group that has 10 in it. Very nicely done. So that is one group of 10 and 0 ones. Take a look on this side. Do you see any ones over here? Nope. Just one group of 10. That's how we write that 10. Very nicely done. Add your tooth. Okay, here we go. Next one. Ooh, that's a tricky one. Okay, I want you to count out loud with me. Here we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You got it. So how would we write a 19? See if you can picture it. I see one group of 10 and 9 ones. Let's see how it looks. One group of 10 and 9 ones. Very nice. Add your tooth. I'm running out of space on my person. Okay, ready? Ooh, this is a tricky one. You ready? How would we count this one? I want you to tell the adult playing with you how you would count these counters. Okay. How many did you say? Did you say 20? How did you know it was 20? Each one of these is a group of 10. So I would count those by tens. So one group of 10 and the next group of 10. If I counted by tens, that would be 10, 20. Two groups of 10. So that's how we would write it. Two groups of 10 and 0 ones. Are there any ones on this one? Nope. Okay, ready? Next one. Oh wait, add your tooth. I almost forgot. If we got that correct, we've got to add our tooth. And if you didn't get that one correct, that's okay. That was a tricky one. All right, ready? How many? 5. You got it. If you got 5 counters, add yourself a tooth. Okay, we've got 2 more. I think I can squeeze 2 more teeth in there. Here we go. How many? All right, let's count to check. Here we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I would write that as one group of 10 and 4 more, 14. You got it? Give yourself a tooth. Oh my goodness, we're drawing molars back in there. We're getting so small. All right, last one. Here we go. How many? 4. That was a pretty easy one we ended on. Add your last tooth. All right, boys and girls, that is our toothy game for today. Remember, when we are using base 10 blocks, the really important thing for us to remember is that this rod represents a group. That means we can be more efficient with our counting. I do not need to spend my time counting each one of those individually. I can recognize that is a group that has 10 in it, so that I can skip count right away to the 10 and then count on from there. This is a strategy you'll use during your math routine with your teacher when you guys count how many days we've been in school. This is also a great strategy for when you are solving word problems. So instead of drawing 10 little individual counters, you could draw a tens rod to represent that and make it more efficient for you while you're solving math problems. All right, well, thank you guys for tuning in for our toothy game today. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another game. Bye.